Say hello. Say hello,
Mother
world.
and son.
Oh, he doesn't want. He is so fussy.
Doesn't like to be lifted up.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Today I'm going to do fruit picking. So, we have this blueberry.
Nah,
No, oh,
blackberry.
sorry. It's blackberry picking today. So, okay, guys, so let's go. So, this is blackberry. So, look at this, guys. It's a lot. It's amazing. So, oh, there's some.
Only pick the black one,
Yeah, only pick the
not
black
the green
ones.
ones.
So just pull, and it's easy. It's very soft. Oh,
Easy peasy.
this is too soft.
Maybe hold the ball underneath so that if they fall into the ball.
No, it's okay. I hold it. So I have to only pick the black one. That's why it's called blackberries.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of blackberries this year.
Something fell down.
Oh, yeah. Because some are overripe already. So this is the first time to pick first harvest in 2022. So,
Can see one more black.
yeah. Oh, this.
No.
Over there. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, see. Oops, it's already under there as well. Wow. So, oopsie. Oopsie. Okay. So, can you hold it so I can? It's very what do you call that? Thorny. So it's difficult to hold because there's lots of thorns. Okay, so that.
One more left.
Oh, why I'm blind? I missed it. So this is grapes. It's still tiny. Okay, so more in here. So our garden got some fruit. So every year we pick some fruit. So it's nice. We don't need to buy in the shop. Actually, we can pick it every day before dinner. Pick some fruit, then you have fruit for dinner after meal. Is it, darling?
Yes.
Aray!
Oh.
Oh dear, it's so sticky. Oh, thorny.
Be careful.
Wow. There. So, I think this thing. I have to go in there. Oops. Yeah, so it's easy if I hold the stem. And this is to put it there. So next year it will grow. Oh, yeah. It's overripe. Oh, it's overripe. We should have picked earlier. Maybe 2 days ago. See? It's, look at that. It's too,
One more there.
yeah. Okay, there. Oh wow, it's a lot in here. It's nice. It's so nice to pick. I love fruit picking.
We don't have to travel 20 miles to do it. Coach.
Yeah.
Like we used to.
Yeah, we used to go for fruit picking before in the countryside. But now we don't because we have We have our tree. We have our fruit. We have our vine. Yeah, lovely. Love, love, love. If you are near here, guys, then you can have some. But unfortunately, we are far away from each other. We will just eat for you guys, okay?
Maybe pick those.
Yes,
The same radish.
this radish.
Yeah, red
But
half black.
it will be sour, that
Yeah,
one.
I want.
That's what you like. Okay, you
Yes.
can eat that.
And maybe this as well.
Where
And
this?
there's a couple more there.
You're the one who likes sour.
Bit further down. There's two more.
Okay. So you eat the red.
Yes.
I
At the
eat
back.
the black.
Yes.
Look at this. So, it's good. It's a lot. And then next time we will pick the
That's it,
berries.
I think.
The grapes. There's two more here. Okay. Wow. Okay, so few more days and then picking again. Oh, and the other side.
Other side of midnight.
Yes.
Give me the
Show
bowl.
them, darling, my pepper. Green pepper. It's so small. So small. Yes. And that is the cucumber. There's a tiny one there already. Okay, so let's go in here, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. Look who's here.
Yes.
It's our baby's favorite place. Baby, you want to
It's
pick?
in the shade.
Baby, look
Doesn't.
at this. Look what Mama picked.
He doesn't want to get sunburned because he's a clever boy.
Yes, he's a clever boy. Okay, so ooh. Okay. So there are some more in here.
And above your head.
Wow, I love fruit picking. Baby, you like fruit picking? You do? You do, you do, you do. Wow. It's good you did it. Look at this. Oh. Okay, no, 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 no. Okay. There. And some more here. This is a very healthy fruit. In the Philippines, this is expensive because it doesn't grow in there.
Above your head.
Some more.
Yeah, above your head.
Above it. Okay. And I think some more in there.
And
He doesn't want me to come near him. He wants to be independent. Wow. Love, love, love. I think the bowl is too small.
yeah.
Yes. Love, love, love. Oh, over there. Yes. Oh, wow. I can't reach that one.
Yeah, you can go forward.
Okay.
Be careful of anything thorny in
Yeah.
front of you.
Let's see. Let's throw it. Yes. I'm throwing the very soft one because they are overripe. Oh dear. Overflowing.
And a bit further up. I can see one more a bit further
Yeah.
towards the shed.
Above my head.
No. Yeah, above your head there's 3.
Okay. Over there. Oh dear.
Be careful, you'll get scratched with the stones. Maybe just leave it. Careful, don't
Okay.
cut your fingers.
Put this. Oh dear.
It will fall.
Yeah. I just pull it like this. And that's it. I didn't realize how much is it, darling.
And one there.
Where? Yeah.
Yeah, a bit further up. Same one, same branch.
Okay. This red.
No. The other side of the bunch. Black one. You don't see.
No, you don't see.
Just leave it.
Okay. It's a bit. Oops.
Careful, you got rows in front of you as well. So don't get scratched.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Look at this, guys. It's a lot. Wow. And it's sunny.
Sunny side up.
It's already late afternoon, but the sun is still high up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our fruit. It's blackberries.
Yes.
Yes. I'm always confused with blackberries and blueberries because
Blueberries are
black.
just
They are
brown
black.
and dark blue.
Yeah, but I
This
like
is
this one
blacker
as well.
and it's like tiny.
Yeah. And this one with seeds.
Yeah.
It's nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love. Thank you.